Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to add song on your CapCut project. So first thing you have to do here now is just go open the the CapCut application, and after that you just need to click a new project if you have no project yet. But today I would like to give an example from the project that I have here, which is this one. So I already have this edit. I already have this photo for my clips. I already have this clip for my project, and now the things that I need to do now, you just need to go into the first or the beginning of the clip, and after that you can see like right after this clip in this below sections you can see an add audio, or if you also can visit this audio button. It's just the same, and after you click it you will have an access into several options. If you want to add a song, make sure that you click a sounds, and now you can like type the songs or the singers that you want to add to. Okay, just do like say Taylor Swift, and the CapCut will look at that for you. So this is the music that provided by the CapCut that you can use. You can just like find out which music that you want to add to. When you already want to add one, you just need to click this plus button right after the song, and now you can just adjusting the length of the song. Make sure that you are in the end of the project, and after that you click the songs until it is in active mode, and then click split, and now click delete, and now you already have the music or songs in the whole project of the CapCut. So that's the way how to add song in the CapCut. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.